Alright, yo, what's good guys and welcome back to the channel. So today's video guys, I'm going to be giving you guys my summer lookbook. I'm a little late, just a little, but it's okay, y'all still gonna get this video. So yeah guys, I just want to show you guys a couple outfits that I'm going to be rocking this summer. And yeah, so you guys know the deal, sit back, relax, and I hope you enjoy the video. Alright guys, this is outfit number one, a super monochromatic look. Oh, just rocking the grays and whites. But I have up top the ASOS design boxy suit jacket. I think that's what it's called. What I love about this jacket is like super lightweight, and I love the crop, so it shows a tee underneath. Got my cold buxom tee underneath, my Zara pleated shorts, which are important because it's really hot. You can't be layering really. You need details. Oh, speaking of details, my accessories of course, and then the comfiest dad shoes ever, the New Balance 990 V5s. I love these shoes, I still love these shoes. But yeah guys, a super simple but effective summer fit. Alright guys, this is outfit number two, and it's super casual, but it is super easy to remake. This is a full cold buxom fit, but obviously you can find a colored hoodie, white shirt, and some gray shorts. I'm using the wash green hoodie as an accessory, obviously because it's freaking hot outside. But I've been seeing a lot of people doing this, and I actually really like it. It looks dope. It just adds something to the outfit. White tee, gray shorts, and my Nike Cortezes for that pop of color. It's a super basic outfit, like I said, but the pops of color with the red, the blue, and the green, it just, I don't know, something about it. I like it a lot. So yeah, outfit number two. Alright guys, this is outfit number three with my most prized and loved piece in my wardrobe, this beautiful overshirt from Cold Laundry. I mentioned it in my top 10 items that I absolutely love. If you haven't watched that video yet, put it somewhere around here. So yeah, the overshirt from Cold Laundry, white tee, my Zara pleated shorts, but in black this time, and my Fear of God Converse. Like I said guys, it's way too hot to be layering, so you either have to play with details or colors, and in this case I did both. So yeah, this is outfit number three. Alright guys, this is outfit number four, another super casual fit, and like I said, this time we just playing with colors. This beautiful blue shirt from Cold Buxom, and this is actually a set. It's the international shirt up top and their international shorts. I wanted their shorts in black, and these are just, they're a little shorter too than the gym shorts, just to let y'all know. And then also I have my all white Converse with some white socks. Like I said guys, super basic, super casual, but got my accessories, the pop of color, and it's super easy to recreate. Obviously, like I said, you don't need Cold Buxom stuff. I'm just saying, black shorts, colorful tee, accessories, all white shoes. It's like the perfect summer fit. So yeah, outfit number four. Alright guys, last but not least, outfit number five. You know we had to switch it up a little bit because there are summer nights. So right now, this is the Cold Laundry sink shirt up top, my vintage Levi's, my Cause boots on bottom. And yeah, this is like the perfect summer night outfit, date night, out with your friends, grabbing some drinks. If you just want to switch it up during the summer, dress up a little bit, this is the perfect outfit. And honestly, I love this fit. This is probably my favorite fit right now. So yeah guys, this is outfit number five. Pull up on you like Jordan, just to show you gorgeous. God ain't cutting no corners. Alright guys, that's it. That's all I have for you guys. Thank you so much for stopping by the channel. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe if you want more content. Stay safe, stay hydrated. It's hot as hell. Love y'all. Take care of yourself, take care of each other, and catch you in the next one. Peace. Just to feel like this, it took a long time, yeah. Just to feel like this, it took a long time, yeah.